everybody, my name's Andrew Dana. I'm one of the owners of Call Your Mother, a Jew-ish deli. We make bagels. And Timber Pizza Company, where yes, we make pizza. So today I'm gonna be making some pizza at home. We're gonna stretch a dough to start. Take it out of the fridge maybe an hour before you wanna use it. A lot of times people take it out 10-15 minutes before, it's still cold, super hard to stretch. Now here's the secret, you take rice flour and you coat both sides. Now I'm sure there's some Italian chef watching this saying, oh my God, what is this guy doing? This is DC style pizza. So first I push the dough down and then I pretend it's like a steering wheel. So I just go round and round and round, sort of making sure it's evenly stretched. You can do a little toss. Hey! Now is also a good time to preheat that oven. I recommend preheating the oven as hot as it goes. My oven goes to 550. If it goes to 600, 650, as hot as it goes. We're gonna take your pan, whatever pan you have, liberal amount of olive oil. You just spread it all around, up on the edges a little bit. Then you put the dough into the pan. Now you think I'm gonna top the pizza right now? Not yet. For a second, I'm gonna heat the bottom. A lot of time when you're making pizza at home, the sauce and the cheese cooks much faster than the dough. So either what happens is your dough's not quite done, or your sauce and cheese are way overdone. But you can see, now don't try this at home because you're gonna burn yourself, but it's just starting to set a little bit. So that's gonna mean once you're making that pizza, delicious. I'm gonna tell you our secret right now, is this is canned San Marzano tomatoes, and then we add fresh basil and a little bit of salt, and then we blend it so it's very, very smooth. Always use less ingredients than you think. The number one thing I see people doing at home is using way more ingredients. Little pesto, I'm a sucker for pesto. I made my own mix of skim milk, mozzarella, and provolone. A little bit of fresh mozzarella, but that's about it. Maybe a little more in some of these little bald spots. The oven over here, heating at 550. Gonna pop this bad boy right in at the top. Give it about 8 to 10 minutes, but keep an eye on it. Everybody's oven's a little different. Remember, as hot as it goes, mine's 550. So we'll see you in about 8 minutes. Now, we just moved, so I don't even have any pot holders, so I'm using socks today. I don't recommend it at home. You do the second sock, and then you're ready for anything hot. So let's see. You reach in. Little hot. Woo-wee. All right, you take the socks off your hand, you throw those away. Struggling to get it out of the pan, just makes it a little more real. Coming out. I don't know what to tell you. That looks unbelievable. A little bit of Parmesan. You know what? I don't even think this needs Parmesan. I'm gonna take a little knife here. I'm gonna cut mine in 6 pieces, in case I have any friends come over, which highly unlikely. You know what? I messed up. I didn't even give you all a little booty shot. I mean, are you kidding me? Moment of truth. Pan pizza, unbelievable bottom, perfect on the top. It's ridiculous. Don't tell my business partners, but I think this is better than Timber. And last but not least, wait for it to cool so you don't burn your mouth. I just burned my mouth a little bit. And you can follow us at Timber Pizza Co., at Timber Pizza Co. on Instagram, at Call Your Mother Deli, or if you want to see what shenanigans I'm up to with my fiance and my little dog Frankie, Doughboy DC, and that's Doughboy with an I, DC. Adios.